In this video, I'll show you how you can do options trading in Webull. So first step is you need to actually apply for options trading. So what you need to do is you need to create your account, deposit some money, and then what you need to do is enable options. So to do this, you need to go to the menu, settings, manage brokerage account, and then go to the options trading and complete the assessment. Once you've done this, you can get rejected or approved. If you get approved, you can now do options trading. Then simply just pause the video real quick and understand how this works. But I suggest if you do options trading, you should already know this. Then you simply want to select the stock that you want to do options on and click on the options. Now you can only click on this button if you're approved. So just keep that in mind. Now after that, you simply want to place the trade, and that is how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.